Looking for the best drones of 2025? Whether you're a beginner, a filmmaker, or an aerial photography enthusiast, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we break down the top 5 drones that offer cutting-edge features, insane flight performance, and next-level camera quality. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more details. Now, let's get started. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is not just another drone. It's an experience that takes aerial photography and videography to exhilarating new heights. With its sleek, futuristic design and robust build, this drone is crafted for adventurers and creators alike. Imagine soaring through the sky, capturing breathtaking landscapes and dynamic action shots with unparalleled clarity and precision. Equipped with cutting-edge stabilization technology, the Avata 2 ensures that every frame you capture is smooth and cinematic, eliminating the shakiness that can often mar aerial footage. The upgraded camera boasts stunning 4K resolution, allowing you to relive your adventures in vibrant detail and rich colors. Whether you're gliding over mountain ranges, darting through forests, or following your friends on an outdoor escapade, the Avata 2 makes every flight an opportunity for creativity. But it's not just about the visuals. The Avata 2 is designed with user experience in mind. Its intuitive controls and advanced obstacle avoidance systems make flying feel natural, even for those new to the world of drones. The immersive FPV, first-person view capabilities, let you feel like you're in the cockpit, providing a thrill that is hard to match. Plus, with extended battery life, you can stay airborne longer, capturing more of those jaw-dropping moments without the constant worry of returning to recharge. The DJI Avata 2 is truly a game-changer, combining advanced technology with a user-friendly experience that opens up endless possibilities for exploration and storytelling. Number 4. Hover Air X1 Pro. Introducing the Hover Air X1 Pro, a groundbreaking innovation that seamlessly merges cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design, making it an absolute game-changer in the world of personal drones. Imagine a flying companion that not only elevates your aerial photography and videography experience, but also captures the attention of everyone around you. With its sleek and modern aesthetic, the Hover Air X1 Pro boasts a stunning design that demands attention. Its lightweight yet durable build allows for effortless maneuverability, while the vibrant LED lights add a touch of flair, ensuring it stands out against the backdrop of the sky. Whether you're soaring through the air or simply showcasing it to friends, this drone is sure to turn heads. But it's not just about looks. The Hover Air X1 Pro is packed with impressive features that make flying intuitive and enjoyable. Equipped with advanced stabilization technology, it glides through the air with grace and precision, making it perfect for capturing those breathtaking moments. The high-definition camera provides stunning 4K video and crystal-clear photos, allowing you to document your adventures like never before. With intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, waypoint navigation, and gesture control, the Hover Air X1 Pro adapts to your needs, making it incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. Imagine effortlessly capturing your outdoor escapades or family gatherings from breathtaking angles without any complicated setup. Number 3. Autel Robotics. Evo Light. The Autel Robotics. Evo Light is a game-changer in the world of drones, designed to capture breathtaking aerial footage with unmatched clarity and precision. Imagine soaring through the skies, your drone gliding effortlessly while you command it with intuitive controls, all while the stunning landscapes unfold beneath you. Equipped with a powerful 1-inch CMOS sensor, the Evo Light can shoot 50 megapixel stills and record 6K video at 30 frames per second, ensuring every moment is captured in jaw-dropping detail. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or an adventurous hobbyist, this drone elevates your creative possibilities to new heights. But it doesn't stop there. The Evo Light boasts an impressive flight time of up to 40 minutes, so you can explore and document your surroundings without constantly worrying about battery life. Its advanced obstacle avoidance system provides peace of mind, allowing you to focus on the art of flying rather than dodging obstacles. With features like smart shooting modes, including dynamic track and viewpoint, the Evo Light is not just a drone, it's your personal aerial cinematographer. It's designed to make your aerial experiences as intuitive and enjoyable as possible, inviting you to unleash your creativity and capture life from a whole new perspective. The Autel Robotics Evo Light isn't just a drone. It's your ticket to an exhilarating journey above the world. Number 2. DJI Air 3s. The DJI Air 3 is a groundbreaking drone that redefines the boundaries of aerial photography and videography. With its sleek design and impressive capabilities, this drone is engineered to capture stunning visuals from the sky while being incredibly user-friendly. The Air 3 boasts a dual camera system, featuring a wide-angle lens for breathtaking landscapes and a telephoto lens for those intimate close-ups of distant subjects. One of the standout features of the DJI Air 3 is its enhanced flight time, allowing you to explore and document your adventures for longer periods without the constant worry of battery life. Imagine soaring above picturesque mountains or gliding over tranquil beaches, all while capturing high-quality 4K video that makes your audience feel as if they're experiencing the scene firsthand. Additionally, the Air 3 is equipped with intelligent flight modes, making it possible for even novice pilots to create cinematic masterpieces. With just a few taps, you can set your drone to follow you, circle around a subject, or even execute complex maneuvers that would impress any viewer. Its obstacle avoidance technology ensures a safe flight experience, allowing you to focus on creativity rather than navigation. Overall, the DJI Air 3 is not just a drone, it's a powerful tool for storytellers and adventurers alike. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, a travel enthusiast, or simply someone who enjoys documenting life's moments from a unique perspective, the DJI Air 3 promises to elevate your content creation to new heights. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Introducing the DJI Mini 4 Pro, a game-changing drone that takes aerial photography and videography to new heights, literally. With its sleek and compact design, this little powerhouse is not just easy to carry, it's also packed with features that will make you want to take to the skies every chance you get. Imagine capturing stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring that every moment is recorded in crisp, vivid detail, whether you're soaring over breathtaking landscapes or filming your next adventure. But the Mini 4 Pro isn't just about impressive specs. It's about user-friendly innovation. Equipped with advanced obstacle sensing technology, it navigates seamlessly through complex environments, giving you the confidence to fly without fear of unexpected collisions. Plus, the intelligent flight modes let you unleash your creativity, allowing you to execute epic cinematic shots with just a few taps on your smartphone. And let's not forget the battery life. This drone boasts impressive flight time, so you can spend more time capturing and less time worrying about recharging. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a first-time flyer, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is designed to empower you to explore and create, transforming your vision into stunning reality. So, get ready to elevate your content and experience the world from a whole new perspective.